To our surprise, we had developed such an effective coating that we were actually introducing game-changing technology to the marketplace. Initially, we wanted to make a difference by helping to reduce air pollution levels worldwide. Our product, Smog-Stock Filter, is game-changing pollution control technology that reduces up to 99% of air pollutants indoors and out. We always knew that our coatings had the ability to kill bacteria and viruses, but the technology wasn't optimized for that purpose. We immediately pivoted and started to optimize the coatings for their ability to kill COVID-19 on contact, as well as bond to various surface types, and we tried to make the coating transparent. We actually spent a fair amount of time on the bonding agent. It uses nanotechnology, and it allows it to adhere to many different surface types, including metals, plastic, paper, fabric, almost anything you can imagine. There's been lots of interest in using the product in many different situations, any that we had never even thought of. There's been a lot of interest in applying it to non-surgical gloves, face masks, even the fabric of clothing. Realistically, the possibilities of this product are endless. Currently, we are in the process of receiving Health Canada approval to distribute the product as a disinfectant to help fight COVID-19. Following implementation in these critical places, we will be distributing to businesses in order to help them get people back to work safely.